Let us discuss some important formula in the mensuration. For the cube, total surface area is 6a square, while lateral or the curved surface area is equals to 4a square, and the volume of the cube is the a cube, and the diagonal is equals to the a under root of the 3. For the cuboid, total surface area equals to 2 times multiplied by the sum of the length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, while curved or the lateral surface area equals to 2h times sum of the length and the breadth. Volume of the cuboid is length into breadth into height. Diagonal of the cube is given by the square root of the length square, breadth square and the height square. For cylinder, total surface area equals to 2 pi r multiplied by the h plus r, where r is the radius. Curved surface area for the cylinder is equals to the 2 pi rh, where h is the height, r is the radius. Volume of the cylinder is equals to the pi r square h. For cone, curved or the lateral surface area equals to pi rl, while total surface area is equals to the pi r multiplied by the sum of the length and the radius. Volume of the cone is given by the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h, where h is the height, r is the radius. Length of the diagonal is equals to the square root of the radius square plus height square. For sphere, total surface area equals to 4 pi r square, and the volume of the sphere is equals to the 4 by 3 pi r cube. For hemispheres, total surface area equals to 3 pi r square. Curved surface area equals to the 2 pi r square, while the volume of the hemisphere equals to 2 by 3 pi r cube. For the triangles, area equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by the breadth and the height of the triangle. For circle, the area of the circle is given by the pi r square, and the circumference of the circle is given by the 2 pi r. Area of the semicircle is equals to the half pi r square.